In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a passport-size photo using Chatgpt. This is a simple process that can be done quickly and efficiently. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to produce a perfect passport-size photo without hassle and, most importantly, without extra expenses on applications or trips to the photo studio. Let's begin by opening Chatgpt. If you're not familiar with how to access Chatgpt, simply open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Chatgpt website. Ensure you're logged into your account so that you have full access to all the features available. Once you're in, it's time to start a new chat. This is important because you want a fresh space to input the specific instructions necessary for creating your passport-size photo. With your new chat ready, the key step here is to enter a prompt that specifies the requirements for a passport photo. It's crucial to include the details that are typical for a passport photo, such as dimensions, clear background specifications, and ensuring your head is positioned centrally within the frame. You could type something like, "Please create an image that meets passport photo criteria," and you can include any specific measurements or guidelines that your country's passport office might require. This ensures that the end product will be exactly what you need. Once Chatgpt provides you with the initial version of the passport photo, don't hesitate to ask follow-up questions if you need any modifications. For example, if you find that the background color is not quite right, or if the lighting seems off, you can simply type in, "Can you adjust the lighting to be brighter?" Or, "Could you change the background to a neutral gray?" These additional queries allow you to fine-tune the image until it meets your satisfaction and adheres to official standards. After you have your image exactly how you want it, complete this process by downloading the image to your device. You'll typically find a download button near the image preview. Click on this and choose the location where you wish to save your file on your device. It might be a good idea to organize your files so you can easily access this photo whenever you need it for official documents. And there you have it. A straightforward way to create a passport-sized photo using Chatgpt. Just remember, attention to specifications is key in ensuring your photo is a perfect fit for passport requirements. This is a fantastic method if you're looking for a quick, efficient solution without unnecessary hassle. Whether you're renewing your passport or applying for one for the first time, you'll now have a handy skill under your belt. Thank you for watching, and keep creating.